Hello, America. Welcome to the BLR Evening News. I'm your host, Bob Northern. Tonight's special, looking at the car v train incidents. Our first incident. A UPS delivery truck was parked on the railroad tracks, thinking that there was all red signals because of it. The platform was being loaded on as the trailer was unloaded. Unfortunately, one train didn't get the message. Departing Joliet, Illinois, a slow BNSF freight train had left the terminal not 15 minutes ago. It now was coming to a railroad crossing. Fortunately, no one was hurt. Next, this Ford truck stalls out on the railroad tracks, and the driver runs to get help, unknown to him that his car had stalled on a track of a railway yard. While this truck may have avoided the first train, unfortunately, the car isn't as lucky the second time, as a yard switcher pushes some freight cars right into it, unknowingly. Finally, the driver of this old rust bucket thinks his car can get a few more miles. Unfortunately, he's wrong, as some local rail fanners witness the sight of this huge freight train barreling through and pummeling it in its path. The car is now totaled, leaving but a ghost of what it used to be.